I didn't vlog anything after we arrived yesterday because we just got in late and ate food and then went to bed. But today we are going to town in probably maybe an hour or something, and we're gonna go see Bonfire, so I'll record whatever I can. It's gonna be super busy, and then tomorrow is my brother's birthday. I don't know what we're doing for that yet. We're now in Lewes, walking around, finding all the Pokestops and catching Pokemon, and it is freezing, like big time freezing. So I'm probably not going to vlog a ton. Toby, you look like really scary in the background. Got a hilly and 3 holes. Oh, I thought I was going to go over. What? Straight in a hole? Your turn. Hey. Oh, straight in.
You only gone and got it.
Oh! It hit the pot and jumped out.
What's going on around here?
the first time it hit here and went back through. The second time it hit here and jumped out. Not so hard. Oh no, it's there, it's there.
Hang on.
Oh!
No.
And we're done. That's it. Bye, mate.